Hi guys! Oh God, where's the cover? You can't really see me, but the focus today is exactly on the food. I'm going to give you a shortened version of my version of the banana buzz that I reverse engineered. I'm going to give you this version without the meal prep and everything like that. If you want to watch the version with the meal prep, just subscribe to my channel, but right now it's just to show you how to make the shake and what ingredients you need. So let's get started. You're gonna need measuring apparatus, any protein shake or meal replacement shaky shakes, bananas, preferably frozen, but you can have it mushy and gross and like slimy if you want, or you could just freeze them before or buy them frozen. You will also need cocoa. You also need some kind of healthy liquid. So I use coconut dream. You can also use almond milk, but the best thing to notice is that it is it is unsweetened and, you know, dairy free, things that doesn't irritate the stomach, and made with real coconuts, not fake. I hear English people saying cacao. It's cocoa, and it's cacao in French, or maybe Spanish. But it's cocoa in English, not cacao or cacao nuts, or whatever the heck you guys are saying in the States. Please get a grip on that. It's weird. It's cocoa. There's an English word for it. God. All right. Now, I just wanted to say first, you can do this exact recipe. It tastes delicious and it tastes similar to the banana buzz. But if you want to change any fruit, any liquids that I use, or any proteins that I use, you can definitely do that and make it your own. And if you do that, leave it in the comment box below so I can know what you changed and so I can try it to see how it tastes. Now, number one, get your bananas. It's called banana buzz. Basically, you just fill your container with your pre-frozen bananas. Next, you put your liquids. So I like to use coconut dream, but you can also use almond milk or a mix of both. So what you're gonna need is 1 cup of your liquids. I like to measure this. This is a mason jar that has a mason jar that's exactly 1 cup. It's pre-measured, and so you just use, I use this. You could use your measuring cup if you want to. And you pour it in with your bananas. Always put the liquids first so that the powder does not stick to the bottom of your cup. The next thing you want to do is put your protein powder or your shake powder or your meal replacement powder. I use Slim Fast that has a hint of vanilla, but any powder that has a hint of vanilla will do. Next, you want to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's so delicious. And make sure it doesn't have sugar. So I'm not telling you to add Nesquik to your shake. I'm telling you to put healthy things in there. It's a healthy shake. I don't understand people putting Nesquik in your shake. And this is just another protein powder that I like to put a pinch of. So like I said, you can customize it yourself, but this just gives me a little more energy boost than the Slim Fast. So I just put a little pinch of that. Don't make a mess like I did. Last stage is you cover your mixture like a big girl. You cover your mixture. What the fuck? You cover your mixture. You flip it, and you finally you get your favorite drinking bottle, and you pour your shake out and you enjoy. There she is. Oh. See if it's thick enough. And the straw sticks up, so it's thick enough. Oh, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. You think I didn't scratch my vagina? It was just the top part. Vaginas are under here, so you guys need to like get over this whole like, she scratched her crotch. It's right above my crotch. This is a vagina scratch. So next time you need to identify that, there it is.